Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Also, you can check out my socials. I am on Instagram and Facebook, truly Tara. I'll place the links at the description box. Today, I will be unboxing the Kyowa Air Fryer. My air fryer na ba lahat? Okay, I know we are kind of late, but finally we have an air fryer. So in this video, again, I'll be unboxing this. I'll be showing you how to use it. I'll be cooking some dishes, so I'll be doing a cooking test. I'll be cooking some meals, food that we can cook using the Kyowa Air Fryer. And then I'll be showing you as well how to clean the Kyowa Air Fryer. And of course, at the end, my review, my feedback. Yay or nay, leave your love. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Unboxing. Parts. Features. Manual. How to use. Press the power icon to activate the control panel. Press M to choose among presets, or you may press plus or minus to change the time or the temperature setting manually. Press the power icon again to start operation. Preheat the air fryer at maximum temperature setting for 10 minutes. Pull out the air fryer basket from the unit. Choose a preset or manually set the temperature and time setting as per food requirement. Press the power icon to start the operation. Cooking test. For the fries, I cooked exactly as instructed in the manual. As I was cooking, it had like a weird smell, electric smell. I guess it's because it's the first food that I cooked, but you can still smell the fries. I mean, you know you're cooking fries. The ones on top were the ones cooked really well, but the one in the middle and under were very soft. They were kind of undercooked. Very few were crunchy, mostly soft. So I had to add 5 minutes for the other fries to be crunchy. But it honestly tasted so-so. It was okay. For the bacon, while I was cooking it, it smelled like bacon. And the bacon was really crunchy, crispy, delicious. But I had to recook some for 5 minutes more because the ones under, they were uncooked, and the ones on top were the only ones cooked and crispy, just like the fries. For the shrimps, I added a little bit of garlic in there, some salt. So while I was cooking it, it definitely smells like shrimps. I cooked it for about 8 minutes at 180 degrees. and it was delicious. For the fish, again, so whatever food you're cooking, you can definitely smell what you're cooking. So it smells like fish. I cooked for 10 minutes at 180 degrees as instructed in the manual. I added 5 more minutes. When I opened it, it was cooked, but it wasn't enough for me, so I added more 5 minutes. So in total, I cooked the fish for about 20 minutes. To be honest, not my preference for the type of fish that I cooked. It tasted good. However, it's just my preference. I want the fish to be really, really crispy. How to clean. Allow the air fryer to cool down before cleaning. Pull out the frying tray. Slide in the protective cap. Push the basket release button, then pull out the basket. Wash the basket and tray with warm soapy water or by using a dishwasher. Wipe external parts of the fryer using a soft, damp cloth with mild detergent. Wipe dry the air fryer using a soft and dry cloth. Put back parts of the air fryer before operating again. And I am back for my feedback. Anyways, I have my notes right here so that I do not miss out on anything. For some details, by the way, we got this at the SM store. The sticker is still here, right there. And this retails at there. 3,999 pesos, but I believe this is available online. I'll check on their official store in Shopee or Lazada. I'll place the links at the description box in case I find this air fryer or this product there. And for my review, I'm going to share the things I like and dislike, pros and cons. Let us start with the pros. Number 1, it cooks without using oil. Duh, tar. Therefore, it is a healthy option or substitute to frying your food. Second, you can multitask, which for me is very, very important. So you can definitely do something else. You can definitely do something else while cooking. And third, it is fairly priced for what it can do. For the cons, things I dislike. Okay, probably more expensive because you're using electricity. I did not do the computation. However, you save on oil and gas, so it's probably not more expensive. Second, food doesn't taste the same, or probably to some, food doesn't taste as good. For example, just my preference, I'd rather cook the fish that I cooked during the cooking test because there are different kinds of fish, you know what I mean? I'd rather cook that with oil because then it would be really, really crispy. For the fries, right? The ones on top were really cooked well, but the one in the middle and under were undercooked. They were really soft, and I like my fries to be really crispy. You know what I mean? Crispy on the outside, really soft on the inside. And with the air fryer, I did not really achieve that. Third, you can't cook a lot in one go or at the same time because all food surfaces must be exposed to the fryer to be cooked equally or well. Example, like for the fish, I only cooked 2 or 3. Yesterday, I cooked 3. There you have it, my pros and cons. So now my verdict. Yay or nay, leave or love. Would I recommend it? For me, it really depends on your lifestyle. Yay and love for me because of the reason that I can multitask with it. I would still cook using oil, definitely. But I would definitely. I keep on saying definitely because definitely. Okay. But I would definitely use the air fryer when I need to multitask, or if I need to, relax. Why not, right? So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you on my socials, Instagram and Facebook. See you in the next one. Bye!